Hey everyone, Michael here. Hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a quick tutorial on the BYDFI exchange, so let's get started. So in the top right hand corner, I want you guys just to do this first. Click on this little thing that says, like, it looks like a kind of a piece of clothing. Go to theme color and just change it to dark. Everything just looks so much better when it's dark. At least to me, that's the way I prefer. So if you guys do that, you guys are most likely going to be very happy with that. Now, on top, you guys are going to see a lot of different buttons here: markets, buy crypto, trade, derivatives, trading bots, partnerships, welcome rewards, deposits, assets, orders, and of course your account information here. First of all, I'm just going to go through all of these things, but before that, I just want to go over the main page here so you guys can see what's going on. Basically, when you guys first sign up, you're going to see all of this stuff on your screens. This is going to be showing you guys all of the new tokens that they're trading. Typically, I like to try to focus on the new tokens just because you may get discounts on fees and stuff like that. And of course, they're new tokens which haven't really popped yet, so they are going to have a lower market cap in case some of you guys want to have some fun trading those high risk type of tokens. Next up, you're going to see different crypto tokens and what they're kind of doing. You can see Bitcoin, Ethereum, AVAX, NEAR. There's not really an order to this. It's just kind of showing you guys what's happening overall in the market so you kind of understand what's going on. Afterwards, you got popular cryptocurrencies, so Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, etc. And you're just seeing the 24-hour change there plus the chart. And if you guys want to trade really fast and get into the market, you guys can always hit buy or trade. Buy is for spot, trading is going to be for futures, okay? Next up, you guys can see how fast you can open up an account. It's not going to take too long, but that's just basically what you guys see on the front page here, okay? Now, if you guys go over here, hit markets, you guys are going to see a few different things. You're going to see favorites, spot, perpetual, and leverage. This is just going to show you how all of the tokens are doing right now. You can go down a very long list because BYDFI has a very, very long list of tokens. I'm not going to go through all of them here today, but there is a lot when it comes to spot, futures, leverage tokens. I actually like leverage tokens. I think it's a fun way to get into leverage without actually risking liquidation. But there's a lot of different opportunities here that you guys can see. Now, afterwards, you guys are going to go over here to spot trading and convert. Most of you guys will not be doing converting, but if you guys want to, I'll make a separate tutorial about that. When it comes to trading spot, there are a lot of tokens you guys can use, of course. You can just keep scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. And if you guys just want to buy and hold them on the exchange, maybe even earn on them someday, this is going to be a great way to do that. There's so many tokens. There's a lot of low market cap tokens, higher, high risk tokens, low risk tokens like Bitcoin. But no matter what, you guys can buy any of these you guys want to because there is so many of them. Next step here, guys, we're going to go over to derivatives. This is where the majority of you guys are going to be spending your time. You guys are going to be doing USDT-M. If you guys are going to be doing cryptocurrency like, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stuff like that, it's going to be a little bit different. Leverage tokens, we just talked about this a few seconds ago. Bitcoin 3x long, Bitcoin 3x short. Same with Ethereum here. And then demo trading. Demo trading is basically just trading with fake money. That way you guys can learn while not risking your own capital. So we're going to hit USDT-M. Sorry, I had to double click. And here you guys are going to see the full screen for how you guys are going to be trading Bitcoin. You guys can see buy one, sell one. There's a lot of different things here. There's a basic version, a TradingView version. I prefer TradingView. That's just me. And of course, this is going to look very similar to what you guys would normally see on TradingView here. You guys can adjust all of these different indicators if you want to. You guys know I don't use the 7, 25, 99. I use the 20, 50, and 200. Those are my levels, so I'm going to be changing those here pretty soon. And then afterwards, you guys can do everything like TradingView, change the timers or the time frame, excuse me. And of course, there's so many tokens here you can trade. I'm scrolling down, scrolling down, scrolling down. There is a lot of tokens here, so take your time, see which tokens you guys want to trade. And then when you guys do want to put that, trade down, all you have to do is I would recommend doing limit orders. It's just easier, and of course, you're not going to risk buying at the wrong price pretty much. So place a limit order, whatever price you're looking at, you can tap it right here and it'll adjust it right up here above my head. Or you can just type it in if you want to, like say I want to buy Bitcoin at a limit order of 65,000, you can type it right there. The important thing here is when it's talking about quantity, don't choose Bitcoin because you're not going to go 0.001 Bitcoin or something like that. Instead, go over here and go by order by cost or order by value. These two are going to be very, very important here. So for most of you guys, I might say order by cost is going to be the best thing. So if I were to type in $500, I'm buying $500 worth of Bitcoin, which is going to be good for you. So you know exactly how much you're investing. Order by value. This is going to be a little bit different because as you adjust your leverage here, which is basically behind this market buy button right here, it depends. It changes things up a little bit, okay? If you guys are, well, this really depends on what type of trader you are, but if you guys go over here to where it says cross 10, you will have the option to go between cross and isolated. I go to cross because I'm okay with my positions dropping down 90, 100% if I know they're going to go up more, especially because I do use higher leverages. But if you guys are afraid that maybe one of your positions is going to crash your entire account, stick with isolated until you're more familiar with the exchange and how to trade, right? So afterwards, you guys can adjust your leverage here. BYDFI goes all the way up to 200x, which is absolutely awesome. This is something that a lot of you guys have been wanting to do. I say be careful before you do this because 200x leverage is going to be high. It even says higher leverage, such as 10x increases liquidation risk. Always manage your risk. Please always manage your risk here. I know they have 200x, but that doesn't mean you guys have to use it. If you guys do want to use it, start off with like $5, $10. You can still have a lot of volume. You can still trade a bunch, but you don't have to risk your entire account while you're learning to do some of those higher leverages. And of course, I'll be day trading and live trading with you guys, and I'll be doing those 200x leverage positions just so you have a feel of exactly what's going on here, okay? Now, on the bottom, you're going to see a few, tickers going over here. You're going to see your trading signal. So you guys do want to have a good signal when trading. That way you can get in and out when you need to. If this is red or yellow, just be aware that it might be a little bit more difficult to get in and out of trades when it comes to scalping, okay? That's the big thing there. At the bottom of this chart, you guys are going to see a few different things called positions, orders, order history, trade history, P&L, profit, profit and loss, and then transaction history. Basically, when you guys make open trades, all of that data is going to be right here. All of your opened orders, all of your previous orders, all that stuff is going to be down here at the bottom. And right above my head here, you're going to be able to see a lot of different information as far as how much money you have in the account, the fees associated with some of these things you guys are going to be buying, and the different ratios out there. For now, it's very simple. This is not a hard UI to learn. In fact, they've actually made this very easy compared to a lot of other ones I've seen. And also, if you guys don't like TradingView or basic version, they do have the depth mode. This is just kind of fun to watch. I don't really use it for trading, of course, but because they actually have good liquidity, there's a lot of people using them. This is going to be a little bit more important than if you're using this on a very small exchange, okay? A lot of stuff is going to be happening, and you're going to be seeing a lot of transactions going through, especially on a day like right now where Bitcoin's starting to have some really big moves. You can see some of the big things happening at this point in time, okay? So next up, we're going to have trading bots. This is something where you guys kind of put your money in autopilot. I wouldn't recommend putting all of your money in here, but if you wanted to test it, that'd be perfectly fine. I usually like to do the derivatives, more volume. You guys are more trading much more, and you guys get more freebies for doing all of that trading. So I always recommend trading, and that type of stuff here. So you can do spot grids, spot investment, spot Martingale. What I've seen most people do is just do the spot investment because there is not as much leverage involved here. You can go with the spot grid, buy low, sell high, highest annual return in the last 3 months. I mean, they've made some good money off of this, over $34,000. And you guys can practice and see which one you guys are looking for. Again, it's up to you to determine who you want to follow, how you want to do this, what type of tokens you guys are looking for. But as far as I'm concerned, I'm usually a spot guy. I know it has the least amount of returns, but it's something that I feel like I can kind of manage. I don't have to worry about it. It's not going to be as volatile. And I know the market's most likely going to go up here over the next few months. So I just want to be in there making that money kind of as I'm doing other trading and other things. All right. Next up, you have partnerships. We're not going to really focus too much on this, but basically, if you guys do want to invite your friends over here and you want to get some money for doing so, you guys are going to sign up to join their army, and you guys can share it with your friends. You'll get a little bit of a kickback, and your friends will get some discounts as well, which is always kind of nice, right? Next up, you're going to have welcome rewards. This is where I would say a lot of you should go right after you guys sign up. There's a lot of stuff here. So you get your sign up reward right here. Once you sign up, you can click on that. You get some free USDT. Then you have all these coupons here where you get money, 50, 30, $2, and whatnot. 5 to 5,000. And basically, in order to get this, all you have to do is deposit some money, and then you guys will just start trading. In fact, if you guys use my link down below, there's already a promo that I got for you guys personally, where when you guys sign up, you already get some USDT, which is pretty awesome right there. So That's kind of the gist of the main buttons up here. This is not a difficult exchange to learn how to use. If you guys do want to deposit money in here, all you guys have to do is go over to USDT deposit wallet, select your network that you guys are going to be going off of, whether it's Tron or Ethereum. I like Tron, but not everybody has Tron, so Ethereum is usually the best choice. And then from there, you're going to deposit into this address right here. All right, and then nice and easy. It's not too complicated. Everybody knows what's going on, and just put some money there, and you guys can start trading. Afterwards, if you guys want to withdraw, buy more crypto, send your crypto, have rewards and stuff like that, or see your rewards, all of that is right here as well. Same with your orders. If you want to look at all the old orders that you guys have done, all the new orders you guys have done, all of this stuff will be right here. That way you can go back a little bit and say, hey, how did I do here? Or I lost some money here. What happened? And you guys can use the information to become a much better trader. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys have any questions about BYDFI, please make sure to leave them down below. Thank you.